Like it, love it, hate it, we've all been there. You step out of the shower, your feet feel extra fresh, extra clean, and then whoopee, almost flat on your face. So why are our feet like slippery soap bars, and is it normal to slip and nearly break your face every time you shower? Join us as we tackle this very important question. Your feet are basically two giant slabs of meat. They do a lot of heavy lifting, which is why it's no surprise they get pretty stinky. But there's another not-so-pleasant side effect. Your feet sweat. Yep, those bad boys have over 250,000 sweat glands. They keep your skin from getting too dry and cracking, but they also make your feet super slippery. Combine that with water and a nice smooth surface like the bottom of your shower, and bam, you're skating. But wait, there's more. The bottom of your feet have very few oil glands, so no grip glue like your hands. Everything on the bottom of your feet is working against you, making you extra slippery. Wait, why does it matter? To answer that, we went to the source, a bunch of sources. Turns out what feet on a smooth floor is a recipe for disaster. Just think about it. You're walking, you step in something wet, bam, you're down. You might be laughing, but this is no laughing matter. Slips and falls are a leading cause of injuries, especially for kids or grandparents. That's why you see shower mats everywhere, textured tiles, even foot grips. They provide that extra traction you need to stay upright. So remember, it's not just you being clumsy. It's science, but if you want to test it, try this. Next time you're in the shower, try standing on one foot. Can't balance? That's your body screaming, "Hey, buddy, it's slippery down here." Speaking of being extra slippery, we're giving away some serious brain power with these facts. But don't worry, you can hang on to your neurons because we got plenty more where those came from. So stick around, and now for a special message from our rubber ducky friend. Hey there, little duck. Here you don't have to be a genius to know that showering can be dangerous. My friend fell and hit his head so hard he saw stars. Don't be like my friend, use a mat. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Love you, love you. Bye-bye, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fast laugh facts with your favorite mini genius crew, FLF Genius. And don't forget, you're amazing. Even if you can't balance on one foot, give yourself a round of applause. Wait, why is the brainy mascot clapping? Oh my gosh, he slipped. Oh my gosh.